Welcome back to the farm. We've got the John Deere 620 disc hooked up, and I've got this place right here where I fed cows out through the winter, and it's a mess. And I think it's dry enough we can maybe disc it a little bit. Let's see if we can fix it up. First pass, I think it's doing all right. Let's keep going. Obviously, I didn't mean to do that. It's still pretty wet, but I think this will make it more where it'll air out more. So when next time I disc it, it will be looking better. I don't know, maybe if I just disc it enough today, it'll do it. I'm speeding up just a little bit and going back over my tire marks. Look at it. It already looks better. That's what we want, to look better. It don't have to look perfect, it needs to look better. A little bit smooth. Is that what I want it to be? Is that what I want it to be? No, not even close. But is it 100 times closer? Absolutely. I'm gonna go out here in the field and do some more stuff. There you go. It's April the 24th, and I got a disc in the ground, and it's pretty muddy. So if you're thinking about discing, it's probably still a bit too soon. Hit the subscribe button.